Hello everybody and welcome back. Vowel combination can be a little bit tricky. So today we're gonna take a look at three sounds, O, E, and U, and at the combination of letters that can make this sound. Remember, you can head out to our French course to use what you learned today to practice speaking French anytime and anywhere. And let's start with the sound E. There's two different spellings that produce that sound, EU and OEU. And there's two variations of this sound, open, E in fleur, and closed, E in de. This just means that by opening more or less your mouth, the sound will change. The closed version, that sounds like E, will usually be at the end of a word, like in de, feu, heureux, or pleu. You might have noticed that there is consonant following these combinations, but hey, they're silent here. You will find the open version, that sounds like E, when it's followed by a consonant sound, like in fleur, sœur, ou œuf. And now, let's talk about the sound O. We already know that the letter O can make this sound, but we have a couple more ways to spell it. E-A-U and A-U. O, bateau, épaule, ou chaussure are good examples of this sound. And last but not least, the sound OU, spelled O-U. You will find this sound in words like bonjour, vous, tout, beaucoup, ou journaliste. And what's amazing is that all of these words are in our first unit. So hit the link to explore our app and start putting back into context. That's it for today. 3 sounds, E, O, and U. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and share it with your friend. Thanks for watching et à bientôt.